Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we're going to make a custom motivational wall plaque out of pine. CNCROI.com has made a lot of different motivational wall plaques. This one just happens to be pine, but we've made them out of walnut, we make them out of cedar, we make them using lamicoids, which is a plastic, so a two-color plastic. We made them using acrylic. We actually make them out of stainless steel as well, and aluminum. So basically any kind of ideas you have for a motivational wall plaque, we can actually make it for you here in the shop. Now this one is pine, and the darkness that you see there is actually not paint. If you look at it closely, you can sort of see it's actually burned in. And what that is a laser going over the material again and creating charcoal instead of engraving into the material, which is what the first pass does. That's why in the video what you see is this engraving over, and it's a little bit darker but not much, and then you see another pass of the laser going over it, and that's the charcoal pass over. What is the advantage of using charcoal over paint when it comes to basically any kind of signage? The main advantage right here is that you can see the contrast, and it's part of the wood, so it's not something that will fade or crack or peel off like paint will. You can leave this outside, inside, wherever you want. This might fill up with a little bit of debris, but you can easily just use compressed air, just blow on it to remove it. Now the contrast that you see here is the same whether you look at it up close. And what I really liked about this piece of wood here, it's 3/4 inch, roughly 18 millimeters thick, is that it actually had a knot. And this time around the knot was actually perfect because I aligned the knot so that it fit over the shield. So it gives the shield a little bit more detail that otherwise would look basically as plain as the rest of the wall plaque. So if you're looking for a custom motivational wall plaque, any material, any size, any shape, contact me at CNCROI.com.